Okay guys, so this will be the third video for the beginner how to carve a wood spirit chainsaw. So what I'm going to do in this video, this will probably be the shortest video. I got this die grinder with this Kutzall extreme flame burr on here. You guys can get these Kutzall burrs if you go to the description below. It will take you to the Kutzall link, and this is 1/4 inch inside this Makita die grinder. You guys can buy the cheap die grinders, or you could use a Fordham too. So all I'm going to do with this is just kind of round the face off, round the nose off, clean up the forehead, cut in here a bit deeper, and just kind of round thing off and shape it before I pull out my Dremel and do the real details in the face, okay? So it's real important to wear eye protection all the time. But with this, eye protection 100% and 100% your dust mask. This is a razor tip. No, I'm not sponsored by them, but I like the razor tips. I got a new one coming. I think these are the best ones. It's like that neoprene stuff that you get when you're like scuba diving or a wetsuit or something, right? So I got lots of the cheap Amazon ones too, but this one's the best. Or that one that Ryan Cook uses too, I think it's called U2 or something like that. Dust mask, they're good too. They're like the neoprene ones. So anyways, I'm just going to go along and shape it. I won't be able to talk too much because I'll have my dust mask on. But I'm going to clean up the inside of these eyes, get rid of, basically what I'm going to try and do with this is get rid of any chainsaw cut marks that I see on there because they're sharp, right? You want to smooth them out, round the nose off and everything, right? Cut in here a bit deeper, not too deep. So I think it's going on point. So carry on, carry on. Okay, so I might stop and talk, but remember guys, I'm talking through my desk mask, so it might be a little bit distorted. So what I'm going to do here is clean out these eyes first. First of all, I got to plug it in. And I'm trying to do these series like live so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing step by step. So it's plugged in, so let's get going. I like to do one side of the eye, then the other side of the eye, try to keep them equal, right? Okay, split the eyebrows. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut a little bit deep to make the eyebrows popped out. So I'm going to cut deep here, then I'll take this wood away up in here, okay? So your eyebrows, you'll get a little bit of effect. Right, now I'm going to remove this wood. Okay, now I'm gonna work on. Now I'm gonna shape the nose. Okay, so now I'm going to cut up and under to give them some nostrils. Be really careful here. So I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to stop right here and explain something. I took this side of the face back because this side of the face is still smaller than this side of the face. But since I took it back, I had more depth. Now it equaled it out. You see? When I first cut in here, it was seemed a lot smaller, but since I took it in deeper, carved deeper, guys, and it will bring more depth out that way. Equaling both sides. Okay? So, let's just kind of touch up that bottom lip a bit. And we're going to carve in here a bit deeper. Because you guys, when you do your burning, if you can smooth out all your lines with the Kutzall burrs or saber tooth or whatever you use, so you get rid of the square cuts from the chainsaw chain, it takes a burn a lot better. The burn has a better chance of getting inside there, right? So I'm going to go in here, push it back. That's what they call it, right, Kevin? The pro carvers call pushing it in. Push it back, get inside there, cut a lot deeper inside here, and then just smooth off this bottom lip, and then I think we're ready to move on to maybe the last video. I think it's taking shape pretty good. Okay. Okay, guys, so you can see here the face is all formed pretty good, and I'm happy with the way it's going. So that's going to be the end of this video. Hope you all good. And the next video is going to be Dremel carving the eyes and just doing a couple details around on the piece. So anyways, thanks.